start the class. So now we have already done two problems on distance and displacement. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We will do the third problem. It is a little tougher problem. The question is a wheel of radius r. Okay, you can write down question. A wheel of radius r is yeah. A wheel of radius r is rolling on a road. What will be the displacement?
Rolling on the road, sir.
Yeah. What will be the displacement of a point P? Half rotating of wheel.
Sir, point B.
Point P half rotating of wheel on road. Let me draw the diagram.
Rotating, half rotating.
Of wheel on road. So what happens? This is the point P. Okay. Now this
Sir,
Sir, you didn't share the screen, sir.
Oh, I didn't share the screen. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot. Can you see now?
yes, sir.
I forgot, huh? Good. Always I forget. So this is a wheel, okay, and this wheel is going this side, okay, towards the right side.
Okay, sir.
Now this is going this way. So what happens if this go this way? After some time, this wheel comes like this, half rotating. This point will go forward, and this point will come here. Understood?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Means you understood now what I'm saying. This is going
Yes, sir.
forward. Slowly this is going, this will move up or not. And
Yes,
at
sir.
this point, this place, the point P is here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we want to
Yes,
find
sir.
out what is the displacement from this point to this point. Previously, where the wheel was here, the P is here. But now
You
the
are,
P is
sir.
here. So we want to find out this distance.
Displacement is okay. Displacement between two wheels.
Not two wheels. This is the same wheel. Same wheel is rotating front. Now it has come here. But the point, P point was before it is here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now the point has come here. So ideally, if you
Yes.
don't have wheel, forget wheel. You have to find from here to here. Because ideally distance is what? This complete place. Yes or no? This whole thing.
Yes, sir.
You see, point is here. Normal distance is this one. But we are talking about the shortest path. The total distance to point P will be what? Here and here. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But I cannot. But this is not the shortest path. The shortest path is this one. Are we correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So how to find the distance? Can you try?
PO square plus.
Yeah. So this is C. This is R. This is R. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But we don't know this distance. But we also don't know this distance or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to find out? See, I am saying this is half rotating. That means the complete wheel, if you say again the P point, once the P point comes here, it will again come here. Understood? That means if one whole rotation of the wheel is here, that means to complete rotation, that means the complete rotation is what? 2 pi r or not? The
Yes, sir.
circumference of the circle.
So it's pi r.
Yes. So this distance is what? Pi r.
Pi r.
This also pi r.
Pi r square
Yes.
plus 2 pi r
Yes.
square.
So it is pi r square, pi r whole square plus 2
Yes,
r
sir.
whole
Then
square.
plus 2 r the whole square.
Yeah. Can you
Root
find out? I'm getting a call. Find out. Hello.
by
Yes, sir.
Hello. Arre, don't call me, boss. This is my postpaid number. Don't call me. Don't disturb. Are you getting my point?
yes, sir.
See, it is so easy. It is, we have to understand the concept. I am saying half rotating. Half rotating means only pi r. Only this part only covered. This part is what? Pi r. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this distance is same as this distance. So pi r whole square plus 2r whole square.
Sir, pi we should take it as 22 by 7 or 3.14,
No,
sir.
let us keep pi. Let us keep pi. Let us not do anything. Let us say always don't multiply. Always remember, don't multiply. We will see.
Yes, pi,
If it is required,
pi
we will
square
see.
r square
We will
plus
see. We will
4
see. Wait.
r square.
Wait. So pi r square. So pi square r square plus 4r square. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So it will be what? 4r
Equals
square
to
pi.
pp.
Yeah, let us take r square common. Then it will be pi square plus 1. Pi square plus 4.
Pi
Correct?
plus.
So it will be what?
Yes.
Or root of
Pi.
pi square.
Yes?
Yes,
This is
sir.
the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. So, what do you mean? So now we don't have to write the actual answer. I don't know the value of r, no.
Yes, sir.
Just keep this the answer. That's it. So PP. That's what the distance. This is the displacement.
That's the answer, sir.
Yes. That's all. Understood?
So, the value of it is r root pi square plus 4.
Yes. So I am taking r square common. R square common means r square into pi square 4. Now r square is a square. So it came out. So it came r. And pi square 4 is still there.
Okay, sir.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now next is what? Now we'll talk about direction. What is direction? What is direction? Let me redraw the diagram again.
So it gives semi-spin.
Sorry.
The distance is pi r, sir.
Yeah, this is pi r. This is 2r. And this was what? R.
R root pi square plus 4.
So when you say distance, okay? When you say distance, when you say direction, you always set the tan theta. The slope.
Why, sir, always tan theta?
Huh? Sorry?
Why always tan theta distance?
Not tan theta, slope. This is the slope. See, you have a diagram, okay? You have a graph. Now I am like this, okay? It is like this. This is like this. Slope means how much is the tilt, how much it is tilted.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So normally when you say slope, you want to find out the value. I don't know whether you know the straight line equation. Do you know straight line equation?
Sir, why?
You know this
I-
formula, y equal to mx plus c.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you don't know?
Sir, I know, sir.
Yeah. So what is m here? M is the slope here. So what is the m? M is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Means if I draw a graph, if I take a point here, okay, and if take another point here, if I want to find out the slope of this line, then this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. Then the slope of this graph is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And this is same as tan theta. What is tan theta? The angle between this line and the x axis. Okay, this gives the distance, this gives the direction. Whenever it is told that what is the direction, at this point we say the tangent. See, I have a circle. Okay, if I tell you the direction at this point, then you say the tangent. Understood? Clear?
Yes.
So
So
now,
I can understand, sir. Can you repeat it, sir?
see, so you don't know this concept. That's why I'm not able to explain you. So you should know this concept. It's called a straight line equation. So a straight line equation, okay, if you want to find out the graph, if you want to find out the slope of a line, slope basically is what? A tilt. Tilt. Understood?
So, okay, sir.
This also. So now see, the tan theta value, if it will become more and more and more, that means the slope is severe. See, you have a hill, okay, you have a, this is another hill, which is easier to climb, this or this?
Second one, sir.
Why? Because the slope is less here the slope is
Yeah,
high.
let's see.
So how to know, how to mathematically, how to find out the slope? That is what I'm trying to tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So to find out the slope, there are two methods. So if you want to find out by coordinate method, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is when coordinates are given to you, x coordinates and y coordinates. Understood? But here we do not have any coordinates. So we will go with another formula, that is tan theta. What is theta? Theta is this angle it makes with the ground. This is basically right angle triangle or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
So this theta, what is this angle which makes with the ground? Some theta. So this theta, the value is that the slope is perpendicular by base. The formula for tan theta. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is perpendicular? Height.
P.
The height is 2r.
R square.
2r, no.
R, 2R, 2R, 2R.
2r by pi r. So value is 2 by pi. Understood? So this is the direction. So if any time somebody asks you, find out the direction, then you have to find out the slope only. Understood?
So the slope is R root pi square plus 4, no, sir?
That is displacement. What happened?
No, sir. How did you find the slope in this case, sir?
What I said to you, this is a right angle triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is some angle theta. I don't know the value. Okay.
Okay.
So the value of the slope is tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is perpendicular here? 2r.
R 2R.
What is base here?
Pi R.
Pi r.
R get cancels 2 by pi.
That's all.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so we can write theta as tan inverse 2 by pi, no, sir?
Yes. So theta will be tan inverse of 2 by pi. This is the angle. This is the angle. But slope is only tan theta. Don't get confused. Slope is tan theta. But if you want to find out the angle, okay, then you have to find theta equal to tan inverse of 2 by pi.
Okay, sir.
Don't get confused. Don't tell theta is direction. Theta is only the angle between the hypotenuse with the ground.
So what is the direction, sir?
Direction is only. Again, you are getting confused. What I told you. This is the direction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to find out the direction, it is same as finding the slope, the tan theta. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is a theta. So tan theta is only the direction. If it is here, then this direction is different. The tan theta value is different or not?
Yes, sir.
So tan theta value will be different. So the direction, how this concept of
So the
direction?
direction is tan theta.
Yes. If somebody asks you find out the direction, you have to find
We have
tan
to
theta
find the
only.
theta.
Huh?
We have to find the tan theta.
Correct.
Theta.
Exactly. That is what.
So if the theta is 60, tan 60 is the direction.
Yes. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so for like if simply like we draw a graph and that's a straight line in the graph, then like on the like any point on the graph, the slope will be the same, no, sir? In that particular line, I'm asking.
Yes. For a straight line, it is same. For a straight line, any point here, it is same. But if you have a line
So
like
what
this,
if the
if you have a line here, okay, slopes is different. This is not a straight line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here the slope is like this. Here the slope is like this. Here the slope is like this. That means slope is changing. Understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slope is basically what? If you have a line, tangent. If you want to find out
So
the
what will be
direction,
the direction in this case, sir?
which case?
Slope, the curve.
I'm trying to tell
Second
you.
case.
I'm trying to tell you. If you have a straight line, the direction is only this side because there is change of slope is not there. Only one slope. Okay. But if you have a curved line, if you do not have a linear graph, linear line, then the slope is changing everywhere. How do you know what is the slope? At this point, the direction is this side, the tangent. Draw a tangent. Okay? At this point, draw a tangent. At this point, draw a tangent. You see, the slope is changing like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here, you do not have a particular direction because this is not a linear graph. So at each point, you will understand when you read in 12th, when we come to magnetic field. Okay. See, if you remember, we have a concept called rotating a. Have you played? You take a ball, you put it in a thread and rotate it.
Okay, centripetal force.
Centripetal force. So how it is? So if I'm rotating like this, the ball is here. So if I say the direction at this point, the direction at this point is the tangent.
It goes straight,
Yes.
90 degree.
Yes. That means the direction at this point is like this. So what is this? Tangent.
Okay, tangent. Okay.
Huh? What
No,
else?
sir. You were talking about the direction. Now you went to tangent.
That is what I'm saying. Na? Tangent is only direction. If you want to find out
Okay.
the direction at this point, slope is this only, no? That's what I'm trying to say. When you are here,
Sir.
you want to find out. See, you are Ritam. I don't know, yaar. You are very confused. See, if I am here like this, the graph is here. Okay. At this point, what do? You draw a tangent. Understood?
Okay, sir.
And this is the theta.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
This is same as tan theta.
Okay.
So this point you draw a perpendicular and base you get this theta. This value is same. So similarly, if you have rotating wheel, if you want to, any point you want to find the direction, you think if you release the ball here, which direction it will go? Straight or not?
Straight.
Yes. That means the direction this one. So this is same as tangent.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly here, tangent is like this. If the ball is rotating this side, it is like this and like this. Now if the ball rotates other side, which side? This side. So the direction becomes like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now clear or not? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Ritam?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, it was Aditya, sir. I didn't ask it, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, no, sir. Aditya was asking it, sir, not me.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, just 2 minutes, guys. I'm just having a tea. 2 minutes, huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine, guys. So we are clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go ahead with the next concept.
Okay, sir.
Today is Teachers' Day, by the way. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Aditya, you read somewhere else also?
What, sir?
You read with some other teacher before?
No, sir.
No? I don't know. Pritam, you read? No?
Sir, they taught about this in school, sir, like centripetal force, those things they taught, sir, but some things I didn't understand, sir, in that.
Now you understood, no, properly?
Sir, sir, I'll ask the doubt when you teach the topic, sir.
Which one? Tell me. That's okay. Tell me.
Sir, what is the difference between centripetal and centrifugal force, sir?
Good question. Centripetal, centrifugal. A ball is there. Okay. Anything. You are rotating a ball, or planet Earth is rotating around the sun. Okay. So any force acting inwards is called centripetal force. Okay. Any force acting outwards, it's called fugal force. Okay.
Oh,
Now,
okay, sir.
what is this force then? Why force there? If I am rotating the body, if I give more force, if you release, that means your centripetal force is lesser than centrifugal force. Cp is less than Cf. So what happens? The ball goes outwards.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
why doesn't it get curved, sir? Why does it go in a straight line?
why it means you are questioning physics? Because this is a direction. You are releasing here. If you release here, this is the direction. Why means you are questioning
But
physics
the,
here.
but the ball will be rotating, no, sir.
Ball is not rotating. Where ball is rotating?
Sir,
Is ball spinning in like this? Ball is not spinning around his axis. Your
okay.
the ball is like this only. If it like this, it remains like this only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
everywhere. It is only you are rotating. Complete string is rotating. Okay.
Okay.
So coming to centripetal, if you because if the ball rotates as long as your Cp is equal to Cf, that means centripetal force exactly equal to centrifugal force, the ball rotates. The moment you give more force, the centrifugal force is more, you release the ball, that means the centrifugal force is more and the ball goes away outwards.
Okay, sir.
And then what is the application where it is inwards? So what you do? You do not give much force. You don't rotate. You rotate slowly. Then you see the ball will hit you. Have you tried or not?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
comes
sir.
back.
So,
It hit
It comes back like a
it hits
pendulum.
you. It hits you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That time your centripetal force is greater than centrifugal force, and this applied to planetary system. Since the
Sir, can you
rotation is
repeat what is
happening,
centrifugal force, sir?
huh?
Can you say what is centrifugal force again?
I told you, na, centrifugal force is a force which acts outwards.
Okay.
So if you want to release the ball, then if centrifugal force is greater than centripetal force, the ball will not rotate, it will go outward.
Okay.
So it is same applies for gravity rotation of the revolution of the earth. So since it is remaining in the orbit, it is not going
So in
away.
this case, the centrifugal force is lesser than the centripetal force.
Which place? Which case?
Earth.
No, I am not come to wait, Aditya, wait. So since the orbit is happening, continuously the earth is rotating in the orbit, it is not going away out of this orbit. That means your centripetal force is always equal to centrifugal force. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Moment it is greater, moment centripetal is greater, then the earth will come back to sun and it will die down.
Okay.
If centrifugal is more, then what happens? It will go out of this orbit, and then what will happen?
Earth will go straight.
It will go straight, and where? In the space. Then what will happen? We
It
will
will
all
go
die
forward
because
perpendicular.
sun rays will not fall to us. It will go more distance. Then we will become what? Frozen, like Pluto.
Okay.
So can you tell sir, can you repeat the thing which you told right now, sir? That thing alone.
This one, Earth.
Yes, sir.
So now here, now if the centrifugal is more, that means it comes out. Same like this body, ball example.
Yes, sir.
It comes out. Then ball, since ball is, now we are in the earth, understood?
Yes, sir.
When the ball comes out, it will fall down, correct?
Yes, sir.
And down, frictional force is there.
Yes, sir.
So it will stop the body. But in earth, in space, there is no other force. It's completely vacuum. Okay?
Sir.
So there is no forces acting. So the earth will keep on going, infinity. It will keep on going. So it will go more and more far. But we don't know. Let's say there is another sun there. It will come and hit the sun. Or maybe some other planet is there. We don't know. It will go and hit. Then what will happen? Everything will get destroyed. Yes or no?
Oh, yes, sir.
It may happen. Correct. We don't know.
Yes, sir. So the required force is needed for it to move in the same orbit.
Not required force. It has to be balanced forces.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, sir.
So the gravitational force of the sun, okay, is actually creating the centripetal force. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And the revolution is creating the centrifugal force. And because of this, they are balanced. So it's all nature, it's all God's creation. We have not created. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But a day will come when the earth will get engulfed. If you don't know, star, if you studied the life cycle of a star,
The collision will take place.
not collision will take place. It's basically your sun will become bigger. It's called red giant star.
Okay.
Okay, so previously Mercury was here. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Okay, these are the inner planets. These four are called inner planets. Outer planets are other sun. So other planets are outer planets. So when this will become bigger, so slowly you see how bigger it will go. Mercury, Venus, Earth will get engulfed. So everything will get engulfed. So you think we have become closer to Earth. What will happen? We will burn or not?
Yes, sir.
Then one supernova explosion will happen. Supernova explosion. And because of that, energy is so huge that in 1 second, amount of energy released from the sun you will be equal to sun's energy released in 100 years. Can you imagine the energy?
Yes, sir.
If a
Huge
sun,
amount of energy, sir.
if a sun burns like normal day, right? Like that, if it happens for 100 years. Hello?
Sir?
Hello? Oh, it got maybe network issue. So amount of energy every day sun is burning, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
how much energy is liberating for 100 years? That much will release in 1 second. This is basically explosion. Sun will burst. Understood? And we cannot tolerate. Everything will go destroyed. And after that, the sun is basically a star. Yes or no? It
Yes,
will
sir.
become a black hole.
So it will absorb everything, sir.
It will destroy it. It will get destroyed, and then it will start absorbing everything. The gravity will be huge. It will also absorb light. That's why we cannot see black hole, because light will not come out. See how we see a body. If you stand here, if I have a light, you see the body because the light from the body will reflect, will come here. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Because it hits the object and comes. That's why you are able to see. But let's say when it falls on the black hole, it will not even come out. Then how can you see the body? It will see black. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Why the black is black? Because black will absorb all light. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And white is white because it will reflect all light.
Yes, sir.
So this is the end of the star. Okay? Fine. So we have gone little away. That's okay. It happens. Are we clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now we'll come to next topic, that is speed and velocity. So already I told you what is speed. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity
Distance
is
per
a
minute.
vector quantity. Yes or no? But
Yes, sir.
magnitude is both same. Okay? Meter per second, kilometer per hour, miles per hour. It can be anything. Normally what you will study is meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So normally this conversion will come in exam. So I will give you a small, basically it's a shortcut. So if you want to convert
Yes, sir.
from kilometer per hour to meter per second, you just multiply 5 by 18. Okay,
To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, sir.
correct.
Okay, sir.
So what will be meter per second? Multiply 18 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, remember this formula.
Okay.
You will use it.
Okay, sir.
So what is speed? Speed is distance by time.
Time.
But what is average speed?
Total distance traveled by total time
Perfect.
taken.
If I have a A to B, okay, at this, let's say till this much I travel with some speed, okay, some time, let's say T1. This I traveled some T2, this travel T3, this travel T4. Then what is the average speed? The average speed will be, let's say this is total D. This is D1, this is D2, this is D3, your D4. So it will be D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4, which is D divided by T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Total distance traveled by total time. Since I have traveled total distance is D, then your total distance is D. But time is different, so you are adding up time. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, what is velocity?
Displacement by time.
Very good. Displacement by time. See, your distance and displacement can be same when you are. I told you
They
an example.
just when you walk in a straight line.
Yes. If I travel here, then your distance and displacement is same. But if I travel here, Your distance is this one.
Distance and displacement is same.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is instantaneous velocity?
Sir, velocity of that particular instant, sir.
It is basically we say d by ds by dt. At particular instant, at that point, this point, I am not taking a distance. I am not taking a particular length. I am telling a particular instant. This point, what is the speed? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what is the relation between average speed and average velocity?
Average
speed is total distance by total time. Average velocity. So what you answer?
No.
Average speed and average velocity.
No. Wait.
Average speed can be greater, sir,
Greater than equal to.
velocity.
Equal to.
Because okay.
Yes. Why?
Greater
Because
than equal.
your
Because the
displacement-
distance can be
Yes.
higher than or
Yes.
equal to.
Your distance is same as
displacement.
displacement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Distance is greater than equal to displacement.
Yes, sir.
You just divide with time. You will get this one. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You're just dividing. That's all. Equation. You have an equation. X is greater than equal to y. If I divide both sides t, the value remains same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Shall we do a small problem?
Yes, sir.
So,
A boy walks 3 meter east.
1 minute.
A boy walks 3 meter east.
A boy walks 3 meter east
In 2 seconds.
in 2 seconds.
Then he walks 2 meter west in 3 seconds.
2 meter west, 3 seconds. Okay, sir, then
What is average speed, average velocity? Try out. Try this.
average speed, sir.
Go try out. Do in
Yes,
your own
sir.
notebook. Take time.
Sir, speed is 1 meter per second, sir.
What?
1 meter per second speed.
Try. Try out. Go try out.
Average speed. Average velocity.
Sir, then he walks 2 meter west in 3 seconds now, sir.
Yes, he walks west 3
2
seconds. yeah.
meter west. Draw diagram, then you will understand.
So, speed is 1 meter per second, sir.
That's fine.
And this
Velocity.
velocity is 1 by 5 meter per second, sir.
Who is saying Aditya? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Pritam, what
Aditya.
about you?
Yes, sir. Even I got 0.2 meter per second, sir. Average velocity.
Very good. A man
So, you want
goes.
velocity? Huh?
Tell me.
Next question, sir.
Yeah, tell me. You are asking something, huh?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm asking whether you are saying next question or not.
Yes. Next question is: a man goes from A to B at V1.
One goes
A man goes from A to B at V1 speed.
A to B at V1.
Yes.
Speed is V1, sir.
Yes. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
हेलो हाँ बोल रहा हूँ हाँ बोलो ना अरे एकदम बड़ा बात करो ना. हाँ. नहीं 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 घुसने देंगे. पागल है क्या? ऐसा एचआर को नौकरी चला जाए. कौन है वो? कौन है वो? कौन है? कौन है वो? कौन है वो? नवरेश टूडे को बोलो ना कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. शमी कपूर को फोन करो. हाँ हाँ. नहीं 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 होता. नहीं होता. नहीं होता. ठीक है. हाँ नहीं विकास. हाँ विकास, मैं थोड़ा बाद में कॉल करते हैं. क्लास में हूँ थोड़ा. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. Okay. So next question is, the man goes from A to B in V1 speed and returns from B to A at V2 speed. A man goes from A to B at V1 speed, okay, and comes back to B to A at V2 speed. What is average speed and average velocity? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you can take distance as D, okay? Distance can be D. A to B is D.
Sir, it's what we have to find, sir.
You have to find average speed, average velocity. Same question.
Sir, you have given the speed.
I have given speed. I have given distance. You have to find average speed and average velocity.
Okay, sir.
This question is different, huh? That's why.
Okay, sir.
So then Aditya is the person. I think he was a little. You're having some namam, right, Aditya?
Naman means.
Namam
No,
means
sir, I
on
can understand what I was saying.
forehead you have put something, right? Okay, Pritham is somebody who is wearing specs, correct? Or both of you are
Both
specs?
of us wear specs, sir. Sir,
Arey.
it's me, Aditya, in
Okay.
the video. I just on.
Can you on video? I want to see. Oh, okay.
I have on my video, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Aditya.
sir.
It's me.
Pritham.
I'm Aditya with the headphones.
Yeah, I'm able to see you. Yeah, good. Okay. Guys, can you see me?
Yes.
Can you see me, guys? I think it's blank.
Yes,
Dark
sir.
room.
Yes.
Hi. Okay. Great.
Uh,
So actually, I have a friend. His name is Venkatesh. He looks
Okay.
very similar to Pritham. Okay, very
Okay.
similar to Pritham. So I feel like that he is there. Come on, smile, yaar.
His
Physics
name is
should be
also
smile.
Preetham Venkatam.
Pritham.
Yes,
Same,
sir.
yaar. His name was Venkatram. He also Venkatram. Great. Guys, smile always, huh? Always smile. Physics has to be smile, yeah. It's never a difficult subject. If you understand, it's never a difficult subject. Remember that. Okay? Great. Please do it. I will explain you. Shall I explain?
I'm doing it, sir.
Okay.
Because
Sir,
I'm
also
doing
1
it.
minute.
Yeah.
So average speed is dv1 meter per second, sir. And average velocity is 0, sir.
Sir, I got average velocity 0, but average speed I'm not getting it, sir.
Okay, let me do it. What are you saying? A
So first average speed is d2 2d v1 meter per second, sir.
hmm. Okay, let us do.
And average velocity is 0.
So this is D. First, we are considering A to B. Okay. So what is T1?
Yes, sir.
Your T1 is D by V1. Correct?
v1. Yes, sir.
B to A. It is T2 is D by V2. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now, what is average speed? Total distance by total time. Correct? Total
Yes, sir.
distance is what? D plus D. Because I am going and then coming
2d.
back.
2d,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
By total time is T1 plus T2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is this one? D2D divided by your T1 is
D
D by V1 plus
V1.
V by V2.
d2.
Yes?
Yes, sir. So
what
when we
will
take
happen?
it upside, both will get cancelled.
This will come here V1,
So it
V2.
become v1 plus v2.
Wait. Yes. 2 into V1 by V2.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
let me do
So
properly.
it's 2 v1 v2.
Let me do because Aditya will not, Prita will not understand.
Okay,
One
sir.
minute. Don't skip steps in exam, never. So what will happen now? 2D, this will be, you take LCM, V2D plus dV1 divided by V1 V2. Correct, Pritam?
Yes, sir.
So this will go up V1 V2 into 2D divided by V2D plus V1D. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Take D common. From down and up, both get cancelled. So what you are left with? V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay?
Okay, sir, but the 2, it remains no, sir.
Or 2 is there, sorry. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes, sir.
average velocity? Average velocity, you are coming
0,
back
sir.
again. Because there
Yes,
is no displacement is 0. When displacement is 0, 0 by time is 0.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Good? Are we okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Now we'll do one more problem. It is complicated, huh?
Yes, sir.
We are going to do the complicated one, sir.
Yes. Little
Okay,
complicated.
sir.
A man covers 3 equal distances. Okay, with V1, V2, V3. 3 equal distances. Sorry. I'm using digital pad now. I'm not able to understand.
v1, v2, v3. Okay, sir.
So 3 equal distance. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In V1, V2 and V3 speed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Find the average speed.
Okay, sir.
Now you tell me without even doing the problem, you should tell me the answer.
So you didn't give the time.
Why time? Time is required. Why time is required? Previous problem
You
we
asked
didn't
the
have time,
speed,
na?
no, sir. Yes, sir. But you didn't give speed also this
Speed
time.
is given, na? V1, V2, V3.
Sir, the distance is v1, v2, v3, sir.
Ah,
A man covers 3 equal distance v1,
distance
v2,
is D,
v3.
na? Distance is D. D, D,
It's
D.
d1, d2, d3, sir.
No. See, these are equal distance, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
the distance should be same. Distance is D.
Okay.
This is D, this is D, this is D. Okay?
Okay.
Velocity is V1, V2, V3.
Sir, I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Hello, Aditya?
Sir, now I'm able to hear you.
Okay. So what I'm saying, distance is equal. Okay?
Okay, sir.
D. Velocity is different. V1, V2, V3. This part he covered in V1 speed. This one V2 speed. This one V3 speed.
Okay.
You have to find average speed. Okay. Now clear.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now without doing this problem, you should tell me the answer. That is what is champ. You should have champion. We have already done the previous problem. So by same you should be able to tell.
So the velocity is V1, V2, V3.
Yes, absolutely. Use your brain. Come on, Pritam, Aditya, both of you.
Equal distances. Velocity over time. Sir, time is equals to
Wait. Okay. See.
time is equals to 3D by
Wait. See. So this point, this part, T1, okay, is D by
Yes, sir.
V1, correct?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This part is T2 D by V2, correct? T3
Yes,
D
sir.
by V3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, total distance is 3D, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T1, T2, T3, this is the answer or not?
Yes, sir.
Previous problem what we had? D plus D, T1 plus T2 or not? This was the answer previous problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we got what? 2D V1 V2 divided by V1D plus V2D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
D goes cancel. Now
Yes, sir.
what we will get? We will get answer is V1 V2 V3 divided by V1 V2 plus V2
Yes,
V3 plus V1
Yes, sir.
V3. This is the answer we'll get. See, I will solve
Yeah.
it now. Okay. You saw the difference?
Yes, sir.
Our final answer here was what? V1 V2 divided V1 plus V2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I am saying this is the answer. How will you prove it? Wait. So what happens? Now our formula is 3D divided by T1 plus T2 plus T3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3D, what is your T1? D by V1, D by V2, D by V3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3D, take common V1, V2, V3, take LCM. Yes? This is D into V2, V3, D into V1, V3, D into V1, V2. Understood?
Oh, yes, sir.
This goes up 3D into V1, V2, V3 divided by D into V1, V2 because D I took common from everywhere. V1, V2, V2, V3 plus V1, V3. So D goes. So answer is 3. Oh, 3 is already there. That before also 2 was there or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
3 V1, V2, V3 divided by V1, V2, V1, V3 and V2, V3. This was the answer or not, which I told you.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you noting down?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll just try it, sir.
Yeah, please try, I am very tired. Just before your class, I had 12th class.
Sir, I'm taking even for college students. You understand?
College means not above 12th science. I teach MBA students. I teach MBA students, MA students. For them I teach economics. I teach Python. Programming I teach. Python. Excel I teach.
Oh, yours also know computer science, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, sir. You also know programming.
I am an
Coding.
expert. I am an expert in everything. I did MSc. I did MBA. Okay. I also did computer science.
So why didn't you go for IT, sir?
I am not in IT. I am actually both. I am in bank. I am working in a bank with IT and banking both. It's a mixture of both the work.
Okay.
I am a singer. I have sung a lot of songs in films, small films. Then I do a lot of dramas. So if you are there in my Facebook, you will see my photographs. I have met Kavita Krishnamurti. You know
No, sir.
you don't know singer Kavita Krishnamurti.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, you don't know them. She is from Tamil Nadu only, na? But a Hindi singer, Bollywood singer. You know Sonu Nigam?
No, sir. I know Ajit Singh. They are Rahman. G. Prakash.
Okay. So anybody saw Sai Baba? I told you.
Oh, no, sir.
Wait, I will show you.
You're a photographer also, sir.
Yeah, this person.
I know Sai Baba, sir.
Uh, I this person you know, right?
Yes, sir.
I have studied in his college only. Okay, I have photos with him.
Okay, sir. Nice, sir.
He was the avatar. This is Shirdi Baba. This is Sai Baba. The second avatar.
Sir, but he died a long time ago, no,
He
sir.
this person died long back in 1918 or something. This person died in 2011
Oh, okay.
during my MSc first year.
Okay.
So there is a big university. He has done university, a big university. I have studied there, free of cost. MBA, MSc, everything is free of cost there.
It's in Karnataka, sir.
It's in
Andhra Pradesh.
it's in the Baba's ashram is in Andhra Pradesh, but they have other ashram in Bangalore. Then you have another in
In
Chikbalapur.
Chennai also they have one, sir.
Yeah, Sundaram. It's near Greaves Road,
Yeah.
Metro. Greaves Road Metro.
Mm.
Near that what is that place called? Near to that Jayalalitha's house.
Yeah. Green Palace.
Posh area, na?
Yes, sir. Very positive.
I gone there. I know every place in Chennai. I know Adyar. I know that what do you call that?
Sir, which Standard Chartered brand did you work, sir?
I
Yes.
worked in Nungambakam branch.
Okay, my uncle is also in Standard Chartered.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You are
sir.
liking, you are able to understand everything. See, my point is again concept. You have to understand. Tomorrow, if somebody asks you, you will be able to give hundreds of examples. Okay, that is what our motto. Just learning, no use. I can also teach everything in 1.5 hours. I can teach lot of things, but no use. Distance and displacement. The way I teach, it will be crystal clear in your mind. Any problem given, you will be able to solve. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I will give
Yes,
you
sir.
neat. If you can text me in my number. Okay, this number I can send. I can send you any book you want, any book, any reference book you want. I can send you. Okay, any reference book free of cost.
Okay, sir.
Okay, soft copy I will send you.
Sir, can you say your number, sir?
Sorry?
98? No, sir, your number.
9840. This is also Chennai number only.
Okay.
And don't worry.
98409 22248.
This
Okay, sir.
this classes will be recorded. Okay, so tomorrow you want to refer, you can always refer. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let us end the class today. The first class. We will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, what time we have the class? 11 o'clock, huh? What? 11:30, correct?
Yes, sir. 11:30 to
11:30.
1.
Yeah. So we will count. We'll continue tomorrow, 11:30. Fine.
Okay, sir. So
Great,
today's
guys.
class is over, sir.
Sorry.
Today's class is over or this is
Yeah,
going,
yeah.
sir?
Today I want to finish because I'm feeling a little tired. I am not
Okay,
because
sir.
I worked. I finished my work at 3 o'clock. Then 3:30 I had 12. That's why I'm very
Okay, sir.
feeling tired.
So
Okay.
actually, which place are you from, sir?
You think which place I'll be from? You imagine?
You know Hindi.
Guess, guess.
So Delhi or UP, sir?
No, no. I am from a place called Bhubaneswar.
No, sir. Which state, sir?
A state called Orissa. Have you heard about car festival?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
My friend is also from Odisha. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.